cooking chicken stew for dinner. Look at that. It's chicken with carrots and potato and chicken. So yeah, can't wait. Already hungry. Time check, it's 4:35. So we're gonna have dinner at 5. Yeah, we usually eat early. It depends. Sometimes when my husband came home late from work, but usually it's only like around 5:30 to 6. So that's it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For the weather. So always make sure your